Hello, everyone. I hope everybody had a great weekend. We are going into week nine of our cube method, hybrid method. Going to be a little bit of a short week for most with the holiday. Um, Start off with Monday. We're going to have to kind of get on the clock here and cooperate with the coaches because they got to rush you through. Um, Not rush you through, but there's a timeline that we have to follow because we're going to do the assault repeatability test again, which is something I put together with uh, James Fitzgerald's OPEX plan. I just kind of threw in the assault bike instead of a rower, and we're kind of testing it amongst the some of the other coaches. So it's kind of important that you please just follow it, the prescription, and with the 12-minute rest in between the efforts. And if you could possibly, make sure your form and your technique is proper. It's American kettlebell swings, so it doesn't have to be vertical, but your ear has to show, head through the window, so to speak. And please let me know what your times are, so we can kind of share that with the other group. Let's start off with strength. 4x8. We're going for reps 5 to 10 pounds heavier than the last time you did. I think it was 4x10 reps. Now, the coaches are going to put you through a quick warm up, and you're going to do about 3 to 4 warm up sets prior to these 4 work sets. So, once you get done doing your 4 sets, we're going to go right on to the conditioning. Obviously, not much gear needed, just a kettlebell and your assault bike. Again, you got to kind of keep track of when you stop, and remember you got to add 12 minutes to when you go again, and 3 rounds. This is a really, really good, actually one of the better workouts to test some of your energy system. So here we go with Tuesday. Strength is going to be the shoulder press. We're going with a near maximal level. Maximum rep is 90%, 92.5, and 95%. And, again, can't emphasize it enough. I really, really hope you guys have been kind of following the percentages, because if you do, or if you did, or if you have, you're going to see some good results. Um, then we're going into the conditioning workout. It's a 20-minute AMRAP. It's a hero workout, and it's 30 box jumps, 24 20-inch, 20 push press, 115/75, and 30 pull-ups. This is a good workout. As a matter of fact, this is a hero workout, and I know the person who actually developed this workout is a son of one of our old members. Steve Sexton was in the military, and he worked with this kid Danny, and I was an operator, and he got killed in Afghanistan or something like that. Um, Pretty amazing that we know who the guy is that actually put this workout together, because I remember we had the playground gym out east, and he was telling me about it, and we tried it, and it's horrible. It's absolutely horrible. It's 20 minutes. Scale if necessary. There's a 20-minute time cap. So just kind of be smart. You don't want to sit there and look at the box jumps, taking forever doing 30. So just be smart even with the weights. Going into Wednesday, back squat 8x3 every minute on the minute. So it's going up to 70%. It's a little bit heavier, but keep in mind this every minute on the minute is supposed to be really for speed at that weight. You're really focusing on, dropping into the hole and almost like a Tigger squat. Just really keeping your, uh, form proper, bars over the center of the foot, um, and every minute on a minute for 8 rounds. This is horrible. Triple three. It's a games workout, CrossFit Games. This may be a little bit of a longer day than it is Wednesday. Keep in mind we're off Thursday, probably going to eat a bunch of turkey and whatever. So that's the only reason why we put it in there. Listen, if it's going to take you an hour and a half to do this workout, please modify accordingly. Um, row 2,000 meters, do how many ever double unders you need to do, and then run a mile, whatever it takes. The 300 double unders are probably going to be the hardest. Be smart about it because you don't want to, get your feet so sore that you're not going to be able to train for a couple days. I'll probably do 100 double unders, but whatever. I'm not in the best shape I have been in my life. Going into Friday, strength, bench press, 4x8, go about 5, maybe 10 pounds heavier than the last time you did it, 4x10. After the bench press, this is a smoker, 5 rounds, 15 deadlifts. The prescribed weight is 135 and 95 for RX plus, 95 and 65 for just RX. 12 hang cleans, 9 front squats, and then a 6-calorie assault bike. Normally this would be a press. I just didn't want to do another press movement after all these presses we did on Tuesday. I just felt like it was a little too much to go into another pressing movement. So I just want to give your shoulders a break. So there we are. Any questions or comments, just go ahead and leave it under the workout that we post on the page there. Again, remember on Friday we're only going to be open for the 9 a.m. and the 10 a.m. class. 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. class on Friday, and we're not going to have an open gym unless you're just doing some Olympic lifting or powerlifting on the platforms. I can't emphasize it enough. It's probably going to be pretty busy, and the class takes precedence. So if you guys have some kind of open gym workouts that you want to do, if it's on the platform, it's fine. If you want to push sleds outside, that's fine. But we're basically making sure that there's enough room and equipment for the regular class. Hope everybody had a great weekend, and see you this week.